Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, can you smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So in some weeks back I've got different kind of comments regarding Rumble not growing, my video is not getting views, I was unable to withdraw my money on my Rumble account. So different kind of comments like that. So but most especially people complain about the Rumble is not getting views after uploading multiple videos on the channel. So but in this video I'm gonna share with you the new method you can actually use to grow your Rumble account and also get thousands of views on your videos. So basically the things that are actually required in this method is very techniques, and as well as you need to be patient, and it also needs more of your time so before your video can actually get viral. So you need to be patient enough, and of course at the end of the day you will be able to achieve something. And also I want to advise you, if you want to try this method out, so you need to make sure you are into a niche whereby you know that there are lots of people who are actually interested in watching that type of content you are uploading. So you can start with like 2 to 3 channels, so you'll be able to figure out what exactly is working for you. So and there are some niches that I think they are actually working perfectly on Rumble, which are your kind of content within cats, dogs, animals to be precise, and also weight loss videos. So those are the videos that are actually working perfectly on Rumble, and they are generating tons of views on the platform. So if you want to try any of these, so it's either you based one channel on cats, then one channel on dogs, and one channel on weight loss niche. So with all these you'll be able to figure out what works best for you, then you'll be able to decide the one you will put most of your energy in without wasting much of your time. So within that, how should you get content? So basically you can get content in different types, and I have recorded some videos on how you can get content from YouTube and upload the video to your own Rumble account and make money from it. But now it's kind of like difficult, and if you upload a video from YouTube to your Rumble account, you might not be able to get any views on your video. So what should you do? And if you have no method or idea on how you can actually record your own video and upload to YouTube, so upload to Rumble, so it might also be very hard for you to make money on the Rumble platform. So the thing you need to do are this. So let's say for instance this particular channels into, let's say for instance, let's check on this particular video from the Rubin report. So let's check on this video to see what's going on there, and then if people are actually watching this video. So this video was uploaded today, which is June 23, as I'm recording this video. So and the channel has over 200,000 subscribers. So what we're gonna do is this. So copy this title here, so you can see the social media tricks that few see. So then go to YouTube. I recommend you open an incognito browser, so you'll be able to figure out what's going on and what exactly you need at the end. So once you copy the title, come here to YouTube, then paste in the title. I don't know what's going on. So let's see. I don't know. Okay, yeah. So then you paste the title here. So this is the title. So let's check who has this video. So yeah, so you can see this is a video from Ruben Reporter. So the video was uploaded 1 day ago. So definitely this person is uploading the video from his YouTube to Rumble, and the video available on his both platform, and also it might also available from on other platform as well. But with this kind of content, you don't need to bother yourself to upload this kind of video. So now this is the method I want to share with you in this video, in the best way you can use to get views and make your video goes viral on Rumble. So what you're gonna do is this: if you have decided on the niche you want to choose, so the next thing for you to do is search for that video. Let's say for instance you are into a cat niche, so let's say does cats eat. Okay, so you can see some suggestion on this. So does cat eat their kittens? So does cat eat mouse? Does cat eat rabbit? Does cat eat rice? So just if your channel is based if your Rumble channel based on cat, so these are the content you need to look into. So let's check on does cat eat watermelon. So let's see what's going on there. So this video was uploaded 11 months ago. So what you're gonna do is filter to 1 hour ago, so last hour. So let's see if you have any video. So yes, we don't have any video here. So what you're gonna do is edit this watermelon here, then check on another one, does cat eat dead rat? So yeah, then filter to 1 hour ago. Wow, nothing there too. So let's check, does cat eat their kittens? Okay, so 1 hour ago. Okay, this is cool. So we have this video here. So now what we're gonna do is this: the hungry cat that came rushing towards me want food. So copy the title here, then go to your Rumble, then paste the title. So we're gonna see if that particular person have this video on Rumble. So you can see the video is not available here. So this kind of video is very easy for us to upload on our Rumble channel. So what we're gonna do is this: so copy the video URL, then try to download it. So let me try to download this video right now. So yeah, so it's loading. Okay, so let me try to download the MP4, which is 360, because I'm trying this to test run something. So yeah, okay, download. Okay, let me just put it here. I'm not sure if this video will work. It seems okay. I think it's working. So yeah, it's working. So this is the video. Then the next thing for me is to just where to, then I'll head back to my Rumble account. So I'll title this video the same. I'll give this video the same title. So then head back to my Rumble. Then I want to upload the video. So the next thing for me to do is to choose the video, download. Sorry. I'm not sure if I can see the video here. So let me try to locate the video again. Show in folder. Okay, so rename, then I'm try to move the video to or copy, sorry, oops, I don't know where this video is. I guess, oh, okay, the angle cards, it was on my desktop, sorry. So head back to my desktop. So those okay, this is the video, sorry. So here is the video. So then I'll upload the video directly to my Rumble account, then give the video the same title here, then go back again and check the video description. So then sorry, so let me check on the description, then I'll copy the description as well. Thank you. Okay, the video was uploaded successfully. So I'm not sure if the video has a unique thumbnail, so it's just a random thumbnail. So then I think I'll just do that as well. Can just do this, choose this, the best one that best describe the video. So let's choose the hungry cards as the tags, hungry card, then comma, then the card that came rushing. So then put this on as well. So then click on if you have any special categories you want to put the video, so you can just choose the category here. So the next thing is to just upload. So and people used to ask me what kind of lances does it choose for their video. So all you need to do is this: you need to understand all these lances categories. So if you choose this video management category, so definitely you want the Rumble platform to analyze your video and they will choose the best category for your video. So this one is for video that you don't want Rumble to share or promote through YouTube. So it will only exclude YouTube platform, so they can also promote your video from other platforms to generate views. So this is for Rumbles only, non-inclusive, similar to YouTube. So they will not share your videos on any other platform except Rumbles only. You understand that? So and this is for personal use. So if you want so if you use YouTube, you understand what they mean by privacy video or private video. So you only, those people that will only have access to your to this video will be the people that you share the link of that videos to. So it's just like you only have the video as in your store, like a flash drive or a storage or a Google Drive, which no one can have access to it, or that particular, or only that particular person you share or give the exact URL to. So when you want to upload a video like this, so you need to choose Rumble only. So once you choose Rumble only, so you only make money on your Rumble. So and this is the most options I always been using for my videos. Anytime I get the video from maybe YouTube, or if I record the video on my own, so I can just choose this video management and Rumble will choose the best platform for my video and I'll be able to make more money. And this is the reason why you are choosing this Rumble only, is because of the fact that it's someone else's video. And if you choose this particular one, YouTube Rumble will flag your video because they will find the video on YouTube as well. So just choose this Rumble only. So once you choose this Rumble only, then proceed to this part then choose this, and then you click on submit. Then you have your video submit and publish on Rumble platform. Then you'll be able to get all this feature, embed code, direct link, and monetize embed code. So these are the things you need to take note of. So this is just the method if you want to use someone else video and upload it on your own Rumble account to make money. And also, I'm not promising you that this whole method will definitely work for all your videos that you upload. So you just need to upload tons of videos so that you'll be able to get the whole idea and also make the best out of it. Then you'll be able to figure out what exactly works for you and what doesn't work for you. So this is all I have for you in this video. And if you have any question regarding Rumble entirely, Rumble accessing, Rumble video, YouTube, Rumble growth, sorry, so you can drop a comment and I will reply to it as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That means a lot to me and of course to everyone on this channel, because we really need to grow and be in front of large audience who are actually looking out to make money online with less stress. So don't forget to like this video as well and also share to everyone. So these are for you, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.